I really like the film workshop. I enjoyed it, and it was like fun, and it was good taking part in it.
It was fun because it was my first time acting.
It was very nice. It's the way that we could just interact with different parts of culture and actually take film and media and make a film about different cultures and how we interact with other people.
It was about people coming from different countries and experiencing a new life in the school.
We're talking about the inclusivity of the school and how immigrants get involved in the school and how it helps us.
You come new to school, but there's different cultures around you, so it's okay to be different, but it's also important to show your culture as well.
Yeah, I think it's good for us taking part of it, and so that they know how it is for us to go to another country.